Hello everyone, welcome to Street Outlaws Update channel. Today we discuss about Ryan Fellows' family is suing Street Outlaws for his fatal crash. One of the riskiest types of racing is still street racing, and sadly, a life has been lost while filming for Street Outlaws, the most popular street racing program. Although this occurred some time ago, it appears that the victim's family is accusing the show's production of being at fault. In an attempt to have their case heard, they have launched a lawsuit. The family of the late Street Outlaws' fastest in America star Ryan Fellows is suing over his deadly crash, claiming that both TV networks and studios put his life in danger for financial benefit by having him race on a dangerous section of road. Back in August, while filming his hit Discovery show, Ryan perished in a tragic crash. According to what we were told, Ryan lost control of his car close to the finish line while racing another driver, causing it to spin before catching fire. The Fellows family is suing Warner Brothers, Discovery and Lionsgate Entertainment, claiming that their carelessness caused Ryan's death, according to recent court documents that TMZ was able to get. According to the family's documents, the 55-mile-per-hour, dusty, weather-worn, uneven asphalt road in the Las Vegas desert where Street Outlaws filmed drag racing scenes didn't adhere to any industry safety regulations for the sport. According to Ryan's family, there were multiple crashes during filming, involving automobiles flipping, rolling, and catching fire. They also blame the media conglomerates for recording potentially fatal incidents and showing them on television for financial gain. Additionally, they assert that the gravel shoulders and drop-offs sent race cars into uncontrollable slides that only stopped when the vehicles dug into the sand, overturned and rolled, that the small lanes prevented drivers from making repairs, and that the rough asphalt caused race cars to lose traction. The Fellows argue that it was an extreme departure from what a reasonable, careful person would do in the same situation to prevent harm to others, and that Warner Brothers Discovery knew that holding races on the road was exceedingly unsafe. It gets worse, Warner Brothers says to Ryan's family. After numerous horrific crashes, Discovery had several chances to relocate the filming to a safer area, but they claim the network sat back, flipped on the lights and cameras, and waited for the next inevitable crash. According to Ryan's family, his race car lost grip on the road, skidded off, and flipped into a roll on August 7th. According to the Fellows, Ryan dangled upside down in the burning driver's seat for over half an hour before firefighters pulled him from the vehicle after his automobile rolled many times before coming to a stop upside down and caught fire. According to the family, Ryan was dead and severely burned by that point. The family argues the move proves the availability and feasibility of a safer alternative to the unsafe desert roadway. The Fellows allege Warner Brothers Discovery moved the show to a dedicated 75-foot wide drag strip at a professional California racecourse following Ryan's death. Because they claim that Ryan's death is causing them to suffer and lose their love and companionship, Ryan's family is now suing the media corporations for both punitive and compensatory damages. The first thing that springs to mind is that this is street racing, and we don't believe there are any restrictions regulating the size of the lanes or the road itself, even though we are deeply sad for their loss and cannot fathom the immense tragedy they have experienced. However, in the few amateur races I have participated in, there has always been a waiver of some kind, absolving the organizer of any liability in the event of an accident. This is standard procedure in the racing industry, so I wouldn't expect the Street Outlaws production to be any different.